Hey, thanks for clicking on today's video. Today's not a painting video. I thought I would do a follow-up video from my last video I ever done. And I just want to say I'm very excited and I'm very interested to see uh, the final step or the final, how can I say, what's the right word? Um, the level I get to in order to demonstrate to you guys. Now, recently I was working on a portrait painting that I was able to give to my dad for his birthday. There'll be photos right now in a second, hopefully, of the process. And throughout that whole painting journey, I realized I don't know crap. And what was more frustrating to me was that the lighting. It was telling me go darker, go lighter, go do this, do that. And since I never done it, it was so frustrating. And so this shows you guys if I can do it being frustrated, being annoyed, you guys can do anything you put your mind to. I did it because I wanted to show my dad this is the new journey I'm embarking and I want you to be part of the first couple ones. Sure, I could have done it when I was more experienced and it come out more better and all that, but it's to just put your mind to it. And since my mind and heart was there to um, give it to him, I just kept going and going, whether I was frustrated. And I did that during like seven sessions. I have very short time. I believe I had. I'll put the dates that I worked on it. So really, there's no excuse, and I don't want this to sound like I'm bragging. That's not my goal. My goal is to show you guys, look, I've really never done portraits. I've done a few, but I traced the drawing, and this time it was from scratch. This time I drew the portrait, I painted it, I did every single little thing. And so it shows you like, okay, maybe I could do it. Sure, your first couple of ones it's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be there. And it's like tying your shoelace or riding a bike. When you first started learning, you weren't doing it perfectly the first time, but you were learning and you're getting it little by little and stacking on one thing upon another until everything just clicked. Boom, you got it. And yeah, it's been interesting. I'm going to embark my second portrait painting. I have here in the studio. I just reorganized everything. I just fixed everything. And so this is a self portrait. Um, the proportions are kind of there, kind of not. But how do you call it? It's a younger picture of me. So this is why you see the short hair, not the ponytail. This is why you see a whale because it was when I had visited SeaWorld one time. Um, I'll tell you guys what, just to keep you guys engaged with the channel and show you guys that you can try anything. We could film this portrait if you guys want. We'll do how you call it? What's the word? What's the word? No, that's not the word. Sorry, my mind's just gone right now. Okay, so we'll treat it like a season. How about that? We treated um, we treated the landscape paintings. Each painting, a whole season was 12. We'll cut it in half. We'll do 6 videos, and it covering the full portrait, and that way I'm learning, but I'm also teaching on what I'm obtaining. I'm also taking life drawing classes. Having to observe the body, see the proportions. So whatever we could share, I think it will be great. Please leave it down in the comments if if you'd like to see these kind of seasons of portrait paintings, and also it'll show us progression from here to once we reach the final knowledge, or not the final knowledge, but once we're more advanced. Because um, I don't want to say final knowledge, because you could always learn new things, but I mean, like, landscapes. I could do them pretty good, but there's more realism, more better landscapes out there, but I do them quick. So there's always new things you could learn. But anyways, that's beside the point. If you guys want to see these portraits, leave it down in the comments. I will check them out. If you guys um, want to contact me, my email is ixtaraul123@gmail.com. It should be on the screen right here as well. And also, I will leave it down in the description. So if you guys want to contact me, ask me questions about any paintings you guys may be working on, or just say, hey, I want to see those portrait paintings, of do it in a series or do it in a season, and we'll learn. Whatever it is, you guys can contact me through there, or you could leave it in the comments. Um, either way works. I'm very thankful for you guys just letting me do what I have to do. I'm gonna be honest, I have not done a painting in such a while. I probably left like 2 months period between the last landscape painting and the portrait of my father. And so I'm rusty right now, but I'm gaining it back. So again, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for the support, and I'll see you in the next video, which you guys determine by telling me whether or not you want to see. But hey, until next time, take care. Goodbye.